everybody, and welcome back to Heavenly Boutique. Today we have another cold process soap video, and we're going to be making Kate's Garden, which can also be found on the Etsy shop today. So let's hop right into the video. So first thing first, I am just preparing my lye solution. So I am now pouring my lyes into my container with some ice and water and mixing that in until it's fully dissolved. Now after my lye solution is all mixed up, I am getting ready to prepare my oils. So here you'll see me pouring in all my liquid oils into my container, and next I will be putting my hard oils and butters into a separate container and melting them, and then we'll add them into the liquid oils and mix them together. After I finish mixing my liquid oils and my hard oils together, I am now adding the lye solution and going to begin stick blending until I reach a light trace. Here is me doing the same thing. I am preparing to mix my oils with my lye water solution, but from a different angle. After my soap reached a light trace, you see here that I'm just getting my colorants ready. All of my colorants I got from Nurture Soap. I'll list all the colorants and supplies I used in this video, as long as where I got them from down in the description below. So here I am just preparing my colorants into each cup and getting ready to add my soap. So enjoy. After I finish putting my colorants in each cup, I begin pouring my soap into each cup. I pour them, they don't have to be exact measurements because this soap was going to be a swirl technique. so we just poured them in to what seemed to be about equal amounts. Next, I am just mixing up each color in the cup with my spatula. So now I have my soap mold, which I got from Amazon. It would also be listed down in the description. But I'm going to begin pouring each of the soap colors into the soap mold. And basically what I'm doing is I am layering each color, and after I have all the colors layered, I'm going to get a wooden dowel and swirl the soap. Here I am just adding some glitter to the top of the soap. I will be actually putting more on it later after I add the soap frosted flowers on top, but for now we're just putting some on the bottom. Here I am adding my soap flowers I had piped a couple days ago. I will be posting a video soon on me actually piping these soap flowers. It took me a very long time, but the soap came out so pretty. We actually used these soap flowers for 2 soap molds. We used them for Katrina's and Kate's soap, and we still have some left over. So I am planning on actually making another flower soap soon, so stay tuned for that. Since we all know the rule to soap making, you can never have too much glitter, I am adding a fine dusting of glitter onto the top of the soap, and you'll see me throughout this video keep recording with my phone. It's because what you're about to see is a bird's eye view of the soap I was making, so we can get two angles from the clip. So enjoy this bird's eye view of the soap. And here it is, Kate's garden finally completed. Here are some shots of the soap all finished and done. And you can see all the soap flowers on top and all the pretty swirls in the middle. And I wanted to thank you guys for joining me in making this cold process soap video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more soap making. And I will have more videos out soon. Also, feel free to comment any questions or video suggestions down below in the comments. And again, I will have every product and supplies I use listed down in the description. So with that said, thank you for watching and happy soaping.